what is up? It's me, Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been a really long time since I've uploaded anything on my channel. I have a noisy little 3-year-old taking a little bath over here, so don't mind her. We have to share spaces these days. Today I'm going to be doing my skincare routine. I don't know where to put you guys. Nope. Nope. Today I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. I have been using some of these products for years, some of these products for months, and some I just found, so there's not that many. I make it sound like I have a ton of products. I really don't. I have like a couple. I have such sensitive skin when it comes to like moisturizers and soaps and stuff. So the brand I use is Simple. I don't know if you can see that. Boop. Simple. I think I've shown this in one other video before. So let's just jump into it. Oh, have you guys had these? I am shiny. So the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna wash my face. This is Simple Water Boost Sensitive Skin Expert Miracle Facial Gel Wash. So this is the only brand I will wash my face. I will use moisturizer. I will use any product that this company does because it's the only thing I can use that doesn't break out my skin. And yeah, like I have one or two here and there, but this stuff is a miracle for me. I've been using it for years, I've probably been using it for like 10 years now. Has this been around for 10 years? I don't know. But I've been using this since I can remember because I just figured out it works. First thing, wash my face. Alright, all clean. Alright, so after I wash my face, I have been using this new toner. It's new to me, not new to anyone else, but I love it. It is awesome. Guess what? It is so cheap. Yeah, I think it was like $3.59, $3 something. It's been really helping. I just shake it up and grab a little cotton pad. So after toner, I like to use this serum. That's what it is. Pearlescence Radiance Performing Serum. Vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. But it's a cute little dropper. So I just like to rub it really gently and sort of like pat it at the same time. Don't know why. I think I saw a video of someone doing it and that's pretty much why I do it. Alright. Now I'm really shiny. I'm just going to keep getting more shiny. And then after that, I just use my moisturizer. It is awesome. It's the Simple. I just put a tiny bit. Just about that much. I like to like bring it down my neck too. And that's it. That's my skincare routine. It really works for me. I love all of these products. I've been using the Simple brand for so long. It is so simple, it's so easy. It's not that much. Like I know it's probably more than some people, but it's not that much and everything's pretty affordable. I don't think anything I use is over $12. But it's been really clearing up my skin besides this like honker. You just don't know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, press that notification button because I will be uploading more. I promise. Yeah, cheers. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.